What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine for bleach damaged hair. If you didn't know, now you know. I previously had bleached my hair like in March, and I was being dumb, and I damaged my curls because I did a double process all in the same day. This is a week and a half old hair. My hair looks mad dusty, and the first thing I do is drench my hair in water. You don't want to go ahead and do anything to your hair while it's dry, because that's how you get breakage and your ends gonna snap and you're gonna have split ends. But my hair looks really nasty, straight ends, not really curly at the ends, because bleach takes out the integrity of your hair and all that elasticity. So my hair is damaged, but it's manageable. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of it. So the first thing that I get into doing is detangling. So my real actual first step is to detangle with conditioner. I'm going to go in with the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. This is my favorite conditioner because it provides my hair with so much slip, and it's just easy for me to detangle my hair. Like I said, you don't want to just go in with a comb or a brush and comb out your hair. You want some type of slip in it so that you don't damage your hair any more than what it is. If you do have bleach damaged hair or transitioning hair, any type of hair, you just don't want to do that. But as you can see, when I brush my hair through, usually it will curl up, but it just stays like straight, like it wants to curl, but it doesn't at all. So once I finish detangling my hair, I just go ahead and do 2 twists on each side, because it's just easier that way, so when I start detangling the other side. And this is another reason why you would want to use a conditioner to detangle, so that way you don't have so much shedding when you do detangle your hair. And here I'm just rinsing out the conditioner to get ready for the next step. But this is what my hair looks like after it's detangled. It looks really wavy here, but as you can see, like the ends are not as curly. My hair is curlier than that. But afterwards, what I'm going to go ahead and do is shampoo. And I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo, because when you bleach your hair tends to get really dry. So I need a lot of hydration in my hair, lots of moisture, so that my hair isn't dry or brittle, will appear that way. So this is what my hair looks like after being shampooed. It still looks the same, straight ends, not really curly. So I'm going to go in and deep condition with Shea Moisture. I use 2 deep conditioners, the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask and the Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask. One has boba oil and cilantro extract, and the other one has sea kelp and argan oil. It's for dry damaged hair and frizzy, split and breaking hair. And Shea Moisture deep conditioners have always been my favorite. They always leave my hair really soft, so I've always stuck with them, and they're sulfate free and color safe, being that I bleached my hair. So once I finish applying the deep conditioner, I'm going to pull out my infamous plastic bag and wrap my head up so that the heat from my scalp can penetrate it and all of that moisture can penetrate into my hair strands. I'm going to go ahead and set a 30-minute timer and let that sit.
A few moments later.
Once the timer is finished, I just go ahead and rinse the deep conditioner out with cool water. You want to go ahead and always rinse your hair with cool water so that way the moisture can seal into your strands. With hot waters, that's going to open up your strands. And basically, this is the results of my hair after putting the deep conditioner. My hair felt really soft. It was lustrous and shiny, and it smelled amazing. I mean, my curls aren't to my expectations like how I would want them to be, but this is good enough for the time being until it gets better. Honestly, my curls look really good right here. I was kind of impressed on how they look, so I had to get an extra clip of it. But the next step is to moisturize. I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This is like my holy grail. This is my second bottle. Well, it's empty now. I'm about to go get me a third one. This is my favorite one. It's helped me with my hair ever since I bleached it. It just gives it so much moisture. It makes my hair really soft, and it smells good on top of that. So once I spray that into my hair, I just go in with my hands and detangle my hair, or you can say evenly distribute it. I don't use a comb or anything, being that my hair is so fine. I can just rake my fingers through my hair and get everything through how I want it to be. But as you can see, like as I'm raking through my hair does not look so great, but that's okay because I have a solution for that. Like, I don't really like the way my hair looks right there. I don't like when it's combed out either. I like my hair to be in clumps because that's when my curls look the best. But the next product that I put in my hair is the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. It softens and helps restore balance, eliminates knots and tangles. Aunt Jackie's, I feel like it's kind of slept on. It's one of my favorite products, one of my favorite brands for natural hair. It's not expensive, it's like inexpensive, and it's a water-based product. My hair needs water-based products because if not, the products that are like creams and stuff, they're just gonna sit on top of my hair rather than actually getting into my hair and providing that actual moisture that I need. So water-based products are the way to go. Aunt Jackie's is the way to go, and that Shea Moisture Leave-In Multi-Action Spray is a way to go. Those two products have been my holy grail since I bleached my hair, but Aunt Jackie's has been with me for a little minute now, and I love them. So after I get all of my products in, the next step is to scrunch. This is my favorite method to use, especially now since my curls aren't as curly. You want to make sure that you hear that scrunching noise. That's how you know you're doing it right. It's supposed to sound juicy, like real juicy and like wet, so that you know you have enough moisture in your hair. And just the scrunching method just kind of like crinkles your hair up to get like that curl effect, I guess you can say. But that's just my favorite method to do for my hair so that my hair can appear curly and healthy at the same time. I know a lot of people won't be a big fan of this, being especially like a natural and using a blow dryer to dry your hair. I use the blow dryer for my hair because that's what gives my hair the best results. I never use a diffuser. I do air dry here and there, but this is my favorite way to style and dry my hair. So I flip my hair in different directions and I move the blow dryer in circular motions. To me, I feel like that just helps with the creating that curl pattern shape. And And this is the results of my hair. You can call me the finesse queen of curls. My hair does not look damaged at all. It looks healthy, it's soft, it doesn't feel brittle or dry. And that's just with the steps that I use all the time now for my hair, being that it is chemically damaged. And there are some pieces, like I'm going to show you right here, that are not as curly, but eventually they will get curly if I keep going with the same routine that I have right now. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, mucho besitos.
She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that?